Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center on this late Friday night, almost midnight. It's 11:45. Just giving you a quick update on what's in store for the weekend. We're looking at the satellite and radar composite. We've had some showers that are passing through this evening. This will continue into the overnight, into very early Saturday morning around daybreak. I'm going to widen out the view. And the other thing that we're watching for Saturday afternoon is this blue line. It's a cold front. It's a leading edge of cooler and drier air, but that cool air doesn't really get in here until later Saturday night and especially on Sunday. Now, as this front approaches Saturday afternoon, it'll be sort of the spark that sets off a quick but potentially strong thunderstorm during Saturday afternoon, and we'll talk about this in more detail as far as the timing in just a second. In fact, let's take a look at it right now. Speaking of timing, hour-by-hour forecast, and let's take you into our early Saturday morning at around 7 a.m., starting off with clouds, fog, high humidity. I think any leftover early morning showers coming to an end. Now, what will happen is during the late morning and early afternoon, notice we break into some sunshine here, and temperatures respond nicely. We're going to get up into the 80s inland and 70s at the coast. Now, as the cold front approaches later in the afternoon, watch right in here. And there you go. There's that thin line of some strong showers and thunderstorms. This is around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the northwest part of the state. If this passes through your neighborhood, it lasts maybe 30 minutes and then it's gone, but it does pack a punch. So that's 4 o'clock. There it is at 5 o'clock. And then moving away from the coastline by 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. And then later Saturday night, clearing out and turning less humid. Bay forecast for your Saturday with some visibility 1 to 3 miles and some fog in the morning on a southwest breeze at 10 to 20. And boaters, be mindful. I mean, being out on the water, especially during the afternoon between roughly 2 and 6 o'clock in the evening, that risk of a strong gusty thunderstorm coming through, some lightning as well. So just be aware that that potential is there. So for your Saturday morning, initially a leftover shower and some fog, and then thinning out the clouds, some hazy sunshine by 11 a.m., partly sunny, warm, humid during the afternoon. So the threat tracker Saturday morning is fine. We're going to kind of bump it up here, elevated on Saturday afternoon, the brief thunderstorms, some strong, and the window of opportunity between roughly 2 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon and evening. First in the northwest suburbs, and then lastly towards the coastline by around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Saturday night looks fine. Sunday's a decent day, but a lot cooler. So here we are, Saturday afternoon, partly sunny, warm, muggy, low 80s, and that thunderstorm risk, albeit brief but strong, mid to late day. So temps 80s inland and 70s at the beaches. So the beaches start off with clouds and fog. It's kind of murky. Doesn't really thin out to some hazy sunshine until the afternoon. Air temperature 75, water temp 58. And even at the beaches, the risk of thunder, though, I'm thinking you don't get the thunderstorms at the beaches until around 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. So just be mindful of that. I think Sunday's a better beach day just for the simple fact that, well, there's more in the way of sunshine coming up on Sunday. Looking at temperatures, though, cooler in the lower 70s. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. Pete Mangioni's in bright and early on Saturday morning with your updated forecast. Thanks for logging in.